This is the Black+Decker Market Picture Frame Hanging System. Now this thing works really well and it's very easy to use. It also comes with some of its own hanging hardware. On the back there are these springs and pins, and I'll show you what those are for in just a second. And it does also have these two plastic wings that fold out with these sliders, and they also have the same pins on them that you can push into the wall. Then up top there's this small sliding handle that you can slide up and down, as well as a level that's built into it. And this thing is pretty much fully made from plastic and it's pretty sturdy, but they say it has a weight rating of about 6 pounds. And then for the width, these hooks can be spread out a maximum of about 18 inches. And basically how you use this is you're going to grab your picture frame and you're going to hook it right onto that hook at the bottom there, just like that. Make sure it's sitting on there nice and level. Then stick that on the wall and kind of line it up with your other picture frames, or line it up exactly where you want to put it. And once you're happy where it's at, push down right in the center and it will put an indent into the wall. And you can see it's a very obvious indent here, and now you can put a screw in there and then hang up the picture. Another use for this, if you're using two pictures, you can fold these two wings out, and now you can hang both of your pictures on the hooks, then stick it on the wall like before. Make sure you get it nice and level, and then you can push on the pictures and put those indents in the wall. And these sort of wing pieces are also very helpful if you have a picture frame with two hooks on it, like on this one here where it was supposed to have a hook on both sides. Then you could use those wing pieces and spread them out, and then very easily hang it on the wall and level it out. But yeah, I mean, overall, this makes hanging pictures a lot easier, because with this, it allows you to position it exactly how you want it before you put the nail in the wall. So it gets rid of some of the measuring and leveling, which just makes it a bit easier.